Hey everyone, it's Saruke, and today I'm going to be doodling in my sketchbook. But first I'm going to decorate it with a whole bunch of stickers. I've actually done this to the two previous sketchbooks that I had before this one, and I think I'll show you those when I do a flip through of this sketchbook, because this sketchbook is actually finished. This video is a couple of weeks old, and I just recently finished this sketchbook, so you'll get to see a sketchbook tour of that soon. And it makes me really happy because this is the fourth of the 5 sketchbooks I had set out to finish this year, and I only have one left now, so yay me, go me. Anyway, my birthday was last week. Thank you everyone who wished me happy birthday during that week. Thank you so much. My birthday was on the Sunday of that week, so we had tortillas and cake for my birthday. My mother actually made the cake. Usually I'm the cake master, regardless of it being my birthday or not. So, but mother made the cake and it was really good. Thank you so much. What else? The giveaway from May has been dealt with. I think it ended right at the end of the week before my birthday week. Oh god, this is going to get convoluted. But I contacted the winner and the prize has been sent out. So I will start up the next giveaway soon. I think I have about 4 things or 4 boxes left of stuff to give away. So in this little session of doodling, I'm going to be drawing I think it's exclusively my Bokura no Monogatari characters. And I start off with Sigma and Epsilon. Art-wise, I think I'm a little bit stuck right now. Not necessarily art blocked, because I'm doodling and sketching almost every day. But I feel like I don't have a clear image of what I want to do, or rather there's a lot of things I want to change about the way I draw. I don't quite know. I feel a bit stuck. The last piece I finished, like the real piece of art or whatever you want to call it, was the one of Haruka you saw a couple of weeks ago. So I haven't really done any big illustrations, and I think that's kind of a thing. I've been looking at a lot of my old art and just like I finished a lot of drawings before, and now I feel like I'm mostly sketching instead, and that's okay. I just wish I had more finished art. But the way I draw right now doesn't necessarily promote me to do finished art. I don't know. I'm stuck, and that's okay. I'll get out of it. I have a couple of weeks of vacation coming up. I have work this coming week as well, and then from the 10th of June I have 2 weeks of vacation, so hopefully I can use that time to really sit down and figure out what I want to do, not just with my art but with this channel too, because actually since I ended the art supply roulette, I've been feeling really lost in terms of what kind of content to do. So I feel like having a sort of series to do would really help me with those days where I don't really know what to do film-wise for the channel. So I'm trying to figure out something like that. And I do have one idea about, like, what was the name? Oh god, I had a beta name for it. The Tryouts, I think, was the thing, and that was more of a like continuation of the art supply roulette. If you don't remember, the main goal of the art supply roulette was for me to use all of the different mediums I had, or all of the different brands of mediums I had. So I have accumulated more stuff, but instead of putting that into a new roulette, I would rather just do like a tryouts, because these are newcomers, so they're doing the tryouts. Anyway, so that was a thing. So I think I'm going to look into that once I have more time on my hands to just sit down and think about what I want to do. I've been playing a lot of games too. So like a lot of my time has been going into that, and I'm still on the kick of crocheting and stuff, so that's also taking up a lot of time. I really didn't have much planned for commentary wise. I basically knocked out like all of the topics in the first 2 minutes. So I'm gonna drop in some music and let you listen to that, and then I'll come back at the end with whatever I have left. So yeah, enjoy the music and the doodles. Okay, so if my voiceover has diminished a little in quality, is because I'm sitting further back because I have a dog on my lap and he is craving cuddles. But yeah, I am just about to start on the last doodle and couldn't really figure out if I had any more topics, so I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. I ended up drawing, let's see, Sigma and Epsilon twice actually, and then I drew Yoru and Haruka. I drew Tsukino, which was the one where I messed up and had to glue down a piece of paper to cover up the sketch. Sketches stick really hard in this sketchbook, like it's really hard to erase. On the second page I did Tsukino and Tsubasa, and then there's the second doodle of Sigma and Epsilon. Last doodle I did, or that I'm doing right now, is of Kazu and his little sister Nobuko. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all of the birthday wishes from last week, and I do hope to see you guys soon again. Until then, bye! Oh no! Until then, keep on scribbling, friends! Bye!